standard 457 bolt. Main thing is you want to make sure your bolt's decocked. You can decock it in the tool or with your hand. We'll just go ahead and slide it in the tool, pull the lever down, decock it. As we close the lever here, that's going to put pressure on the bolt head. Now, if some of these bolts are a little bit different and you need to add or subtract a little bit of the pressure that's being applied, you can undo this jam nut and you adjust your plunger out here, and you can set how much pressure is being placed against your bolt head. With everything compressed, here's our pin. I'm just going to slide that right on out. It's going to come through the bottom hole, right out on the table. You can see everything's just held together nice. Leave pressure off your bolt. And there you are. Now, a little trick for reassembly. If you don't want to fight your pin falling through, take your little piece of tape and mask off the back side of that hole for reassembly. Want to make sure your fire pin's lined up kind of here in a decock position. Make sure everything's in line. I'm trying to reach around here so I ain't blocking your view. I'm just pulling the clamp back over. That brings us closed back down. So your CZ pin here, they got this little notch, and there could be a little finicky kind of getting in sometime because of the way it's designed. But you shouldn't need a hammer or anything. Start your pin in the hole. If you start feeling a little resistance, wiggle your bolt handle right here a little bit as you're pushing in. It should fall right on in there. Of course, our piece of tape kept us from going all the way through. Release tension off your bolt. There you are, back together. You slide it in there and recock. I don't know. Hopefully this helps some of you. Thank you.